Hunter Douglas Plantation shutter with a broken connector, and you need to replace it. As you know, the connectors are very expensive, very hard to find. There's maybe one or two people who sell them, but you can use an alternative method. A common short rivet can be used to make the connection. So with a pair of pliers, I bent the rivet to a 90-degree angle until it looks like this. At about the distance that those clips go into the shutter. The next step is to remove the clip. You can see the broken clip. It's right there. I need to try to remove it without expanding the hole where it's connected. So I'm going to drill it out. So I start from the side with a small bit. I'm too high. I gotta go a little bit higher so that I don't damage the hole. Be careful with your fingers. There you go. They're surprisingly hard. And there it goes. So I've weakened the clip with the drill, and now hopefully by pulling on it, it'll break and come off without breaking the other velour and the other clips. Again, you gotta be careful not to break the other clips. This one is almost out. Let me see if I can pull it out now. Okay, I got a piece. Going from the top again. Okay, I got another piece. If you can't pull it out, at least push it into the hole. But this one is not quite ready to come out. Here we go. Okay, so it won't come out, but I can push it in. So now it's in. The next thing I do is I take from the other side of the door the new clip that we created. We're going to put it inside the hole until it reaches all the way in, and it can curve sideways like that. You can push it further in if you need, so that you can put it back into the hole. Now the hole in the rivet should be exactly the same size. So let's make sure that we get it in there. I'm not using glue. I'm just gonna put it in by pressure. And so it's gonna be a tight fit. And to make sure that I don't damage the window, the arm, I'm gonna use a little cloth. And if I struggle with that, I'm gonna use two pair of pliers. One on the top, one on the bottom. Until I get that little clip. There it goes. Okay, as you can see, it went all the way in. You can barely see it. But now look at the movement on this. It's fixed.